In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can deposit your money from your bank account to your Bybit account. Just in case you want to invest in a particular cryptocurrency on Bybit, or maybe you want to buy a particular cryptocurrency on Bybit, I will be showing you how you can deposit your money from your bank account to your Bybit account. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important information. I will make the tutorial as simple as possible so that it is straightforward and easy to understand. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you. Now, how do you go ahead and deposit your money from your bank account to your Bybit account? The first thing you want to do is to log into your Bybit account, and you see the home page just like you can see on the screen right now. So this is the home page of the Bybit app, and then you come here to where you have deposit, where my cursor is. So you click on it, and then right here on the screen, you will see different payment method options. And the one you have business with is P2P trading. So this is the method we'll be using to deposit money from our bank account to our Bybit account. So you click on P2P trading right here. And as you can see on the screen, this is the P2P trading page. Now, the first thing you always need to confirm when you get to the P2P trading page is that you come here to where you have NGN and make sure that it is showing you your local currency. Now, I'm in Nigerian, and that is why it is showing me NGN right there. That's Nigerian Naira. If you want to pick your own local currency, maybe you are not in Nigerian, just click on where you have this NGN, you click on it, and then you see your local currency right here. These are different local currencies that you can pick from. So search it or check it and look for your own local currency. So for me, I'm in Nigerian. I'll come here and pick NGN. And once you've confirmed that you have your local currency right here, you come here to where you have buy and sell. You click on buy. Make sure that it is on buy because you are buying a cryptocurrency. That's what you are doing. Now, once you've done that, you come here to where you have this USDT and click on it. Now, once you click on it, select the cryptocurrency which you want to buy. So I want to buy USDT, you click on USDT. If I want to buy USDC, you click on USDC. If you want to buy BTC, ETH, anyone, you go ahead and click. So for this video, I want to buy USDT so that I can use that USDT to invest in any cryptocurrency of my choice. That is what I want to do. So if you want to buy USDT, just click on USDT right here. Now, the next thing you want to do is to come here to where you have amount, click on it, and enter the amount of USDT you want to buy in Naira. You enter it in your own local currency. I'm in Nigerian, that's why we enter it in Naira. If you are from any other country, enter it in your own local currency. So I'll come here to where it says this enter amount right here. It doesn't have to be the exact amount. Just put like a range of amount you want to buy. So let's say, for example, I want to buy, let's say I want to buy USDT of about 100,000 Naira. So I'll just come right here and put 100,000 Naira right there. So that's 100,000 Naira, and then you click on confirm. Now, once you've done that, you come here to where you have all payment methods, and then you click on it and pick the payment method through which you want to pay. That is through which you want to deposit your money. And don't forget, we are depositing from our bank account. So you come here and click on bank transfer. So I'll click on bank transfer right there, and then I'll click on confirm. Now, once you've done these three, you come here to the extreme right-hand side where you have filter, you click on it. Now, once you get here, make sure that these two things are selected. The first one is show only verified advertisers. So this means that to be showing you only verified advertisers for you to trade with. And the second one is where it says show only eligible ads. That's that they show you ads or people you are eligible to trade with. So once you've selected these two, just come here and click on confirm. Now, once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and check out the different people that you can trade with and pick the person you want to trade with. Now, if you look at this first person on this list, this is the first person right here. This person is willing to sell USDT to us at 1,517 Naira. That's the amount right there. This second person is also the same amount, 1,517 Naira. This third person is 1,517 Naira, 60 kobo, and so on right there. Now, after you've seen the amount they are selling for, you check for the limit. So the limit right here, this person is selling between 80,000 Naira to 243,000 Naira. So since I'm buying USDT of 100,000 Naira, that means I can trade with this person. This second person too is selling between 50,000 Naira to 100,000 Naira. So I can still trade with this person. You also see the limit for the orders right there. Now, once you've seen that, before you go ahead and select the person you want to trade with, come to the right-hand side and check their number of orders and completion rate. Now, this first person right here, this person has completed 150 orders in the last 30 days, and this person has 99% completion rate, which is very good. You come here, this second person has 1,426 orders in the last 30 days, and this person has 98% completion rate. And this third person has 6,159 orders in the last 30 days, which is a lot. And this person has completed 100% of all the trade, which is very, very good. So the person has not missed any trade at all. So you can trade with anyone on this page right here. So let's say, for example, I want to trade with this third person because the person has 100% completion rate. I'll just go ahead and select that person. And also, please ensure that anyone you are picking has at least 95% completion rate. Very, very important. So let's say I want to trade with this third person. I'll just click on buy. Now, once you click on buy, you have two options. You have with fiat and you have with crypto. So if you want to enter with fiat, it means that you enter the amount of naira you want to send to this person. So if you want to pay 100,000 naira, just enter 100,000 naira right there. And at the bottom, you see I will receive 65.89 USDT. So this is the amount of USDT you will receive if you send 100,000 naira to this person. That's the meaning. And if you want to enter with crypto means that you enter the amount of USDT you want to receive. So let's say, for example, I want to receive $70. I'll just enter 70 right there. So that's 70. So for $70, I will be paying 106,232 naira. That's the meaning. But for me, I prefer to enter it with fiat. So I'll just come here with fiat and then I will enter 100,000 naira. So once you enter 100,000 naira right there, you just come here and click on buy. Now, once you get to this page, you come down to the bottom of the screen and click on pay now. And then right here on the screen, it will show you the account details of the person. So I'll go to my bank account right now and then send 100,000 naira to this person's account. That's all you have to do. And you must do this within 15 minutes. You can see at the top, I have 14 minutes and some seconds left. So I'll go right now and do that transaction and I'll come back here to show you what to do next.
A few moments later.
So I have just sent the 100,000 naira to this person's account. So the next thing you want to do after you've sent the money is to come here to where you have payment completed. So I'll click on it. And then right here, you have to upload supporting document like maybe the proof of payment. So you go ahead and upload your proof of payment right there. And then you tick on these two boxes right here. So right now, the next thing is to be waiting for the person to release the crypto to me. And once the person releases the crypto, then I will have the crypto in my funding account. So as you can see on the screen right here, it says completed, received 65.9718 USDT. So that means that I already have the USDT in my wallet. Now let me go to my funding wallet to confirm if I have this 65.97 USDT. So let's go. So you just come here and click on this back icon. So I'll just go back to my funding account. So you come here to the home page and then you come here and click on the assets page. And then you go to your funding wallet. Once you come to your funding wallet, so you can see right here, the USDT I have in the wallet is 69.94. So that's the amount I just received right there. Now, the next thing is, how do you now use this USDT to invest in any cryptocurrency of your choice? Maybe you want to invest in, let's say, Solana, XRP, BTC, ETH, any coin at all. How do you go ahead and do that? Now, for you to do that, you need to transfer this USDT from your funding account to your unified trading account. Now, to do that, you come here and click on transfer. Now, once you click on transfer, you see within account and you see across sub account. Make sure you are clicking on within account. Don't click on across sub account. So once you pick within account, you see from funding account to unified trading account, which means that you are transferring your money from funding account to unified trading account. And then you come here and pick the coin you want to transfer. So it's already on USDT right here. If it's not on USDT, just click on it and then pick whatever cryptocurrency you want to transfer right here. So for me, I'm transferring USDT. I'll just click on USDT. And then next is to enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer right here. So if you want to enter everything, just come here and click on this max where you have max. You click on it. It will enter all the USDT you have in your funding account. So if you want to transfer everything, this is the total amount. And you come here and click on confirm. Now, once you've done that, the USDT is now in your unified trading account. Now, the next thing is to go to the spot trading page and buy or invest in whatever crypto you want to invest or buy. So let's go back. So once you go back, you come here to where you have trade, you click on trade, and then this is the spot trading page. So at the top, you see convert, spot, futures, options, trade fi. So you click on spot because it's the spot trading you want to do. Ensure that it is on spot. And then you come here to where you have this XRP USDT. You click on it, just click on it, and it will show you different cryptocurrencies that you can buy. So let's say, for example, you want to invest in BTC, just come right here and search for BTC. So if you search for BTC, you will see different pairs right there. You have BTC USDT, you have BTC USDC, BTC EUR, and so on. If you are selecting BTC USDT, it means that you want to buy BTC with your USDT. If you are selecting BTC USDC, it means that you want to buy BTC with your USDC. But since it's USDT that we have, so we are picking this first one. So you go ahead and pick that first one. If it's that you want to buy ETH too, it's the same thing. You search for ETH and you also see different pairs too. If it's that it is XRP, you search for XRP and you will see different pairs too right there. So let's for example want to buy XRP. You just come here and click on XRP USDT. So I'll click on it. You can see it right there, XRP USDT. And then you come here to where it says buy, you click on buy. So you can see you have buy and you have sell. So make sure you click on buy because you're actually buying or investing in that coin. And then you come here to where it says market. If you click on it, you see that you have different order types. Now go ahead and click on market because market means that you are buying immediately. You're investing in that coin immediately. And then you come here and enter the order value. Order value means how much USDT do you want to spend or do you want to use to invest. So let's say I want to spend $69 to buy BTC, which was the amount we got. So you put 69 right here. So let's say, for example, I want to invest $69. I'll just put $69 right there. So you can see $69. And then it will show you the amount of XRP you will get. So I'll be getting 25.10 XRP. So once you've seen that, just come here and click on buy. So I'll click on buy. And then at the bottom, I'll click on buy XRP. And just like that, it has been successful. So you come to your asset page again. Let's check it out. So right now, it will be in your unified trading account. So you click on unified trading right there. So you can see right here for XRP, we have $68 worth of XRP. And that's about 22.75 XRP. So just like that, you've been able to deposit money from your bank account to your Bybit account and also invest in XRP or any cryptocurrency of your choice. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. And if you also want to learn how to maybe sell this cryptocurrency after you've made profit and withdraw your capital and profit back to your bank account, I'll be recording that next. That will be my next video. So maybe you come back and check out for the next video. Or maybe if you are watching this video days after it has been released, just go back to my YouTube channel or the link in the description below. You'll see the link to that right there. And in case you want to learn how to do futures trading or spot trading on Bybit, I have videos on that where you learn everything you need to know about making money with spot trading or futures trading on Bybit. The links to those videos will be in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.